students, welcome to class. I'm Miss KADIE, thatveganteacher. Today we're talking about woke people, capitalists, and vegans. And this is a channel called Misha Petrov. She's a capitalist, she's American, and she really does not like the woke people. And she's going to be talking about them here on TikTok. But before we begin, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel so you don't miss anything in the future. And let's do this.
Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do, woo-hoo. Eating eggs is so last century, nobody needs to, so here's what you do. Mash tofu, green onions, and celery in a pan, add black salt, turmeric, and spices, yes you can. Mix in some vegan mayo, now mix in a salty pickle, yeah, that's the way to go. Ooh. Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do, woo-hoo. Learn how to make it, cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal holocaust history. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal holocaust history. Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do, woo-hoo. Learn how to make it, cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too.
Circus, they, them?
You cannot be friends with
Circus, they, them.
most straight people.
I'm not lesbian, I'm queer.
Was that Jojo Siwa?
Love your brothers.
Heterosexuality kind of doesn't make any sense to me.
My spouse's partner
Heterosexuality doesn't make sense.
does enjoy these videos.
Guys, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at some new made-up identities, some fake activism, and the collapse of common sense. But before we start,
The collapse of common sense. Oh, I'm happy she's going to be looking at that. And Misha, don't forget to continue your vegan journey, okay? You told me in private messages that you were on the way to being vegan, but I haven't really heard anything else from you since then. And I do know, though, I noticed that you're wearing the cross. The cross that represents that you eat tofu. So I'm hoping that we're going to hear something from you in this video about that.
make sure you are subscribed and hit the notification bell because I said so, and
Because I said so. A little forceful, isn't it?
you're gonna do what I tell you to. Let's start. Also, check out my merch. That's linked below. Let's begin.
If you're gay,
Yeah, you can check out my merch too. I mean, you don't have to, obviously. I think I make I don't know, very little money when you buy anything. But there are some cool things in there. Like there's these mugs that you can get. You can put them on your desk with your pencils in it and stuff. And it makes for a great subject to discuss when people come to your desk and see a cup that says, "We're friends, not food," and things like that. There's also pillows that you can buy. Oh, and sweatshirts? Yeah, they're kind of cute. But don't feel obliged. But yes, any profits that are made go towards helping vegan companies to produce vegan pet food.
I strongly believe you cannot be friends with most straight people. I'm sorry. I'm so
So we have this Alphabet Mafia member. They seem to all have the bust
Alphabet Mafia member.
cut nowadays and the face tattoos. I just noticed the neck tattoo as well.
Oh, the thing about tattoos is that they increase your chances of getting cancer, so don't get them.
Well, anarchy, love that.
Oh, did you see the little kitty just jump up? I wonder if Misha's cat is vegan yet. I wonder. Because you know, cats can be vegan. There's a special brand of cat food that you can get. So the veterinarians have made sure that it has all the protein, all the vitamins, all the nutrients in there so that your cat can be completely healthy and also taurine, but without having to bring murder into your house. So if you're vegan or if you love animals, you don't want to pay somebody to kill an animal for your cat, you can do that. It's true. It's really cool. Check it out.
And speciesism, be kind to the animals. And vegan phobia, be kind to the activists. Dance if you're vegan, hands up if you're vegan. Think you can't do it? Try it, you can. Yeah.
We also have to talk about Jojo Siwa and the drama surrounding her appearance on the Big Brother show. So what happened
Did you see her parents or her appearance?
first is that she had this very creepy encounter with this man who basically tried to straightify Jojo. Let's watch.
So do you like
What?
girls or boys?
Me? Girls.
Oh, she's a lesbian.
I know, I can tell. If I stay longer than 4 days, you won't be gay anymore.
What is this set? Does anybody know what this show is?
You know, I feel like even if you put a straight woman on the show with this man, she's gonna end up gay.
Okay.
I can guarantee I will still be gay and I will still be in a very happy relationship.
I wonder who's vegan in this show.
I'll tie you up.
I can promise you that won't happen.
I somehow don't think it's him. No, he looks a bit like a predator to me.
It's like his audition for a restraining order.
I'm going to vote the lesbian out real quick.
Oh, that sounds that sounds homophobic.
Jojo.
That's homophobic.
Yeah.
So that's homophobic if that was your reasoning.
I need a...
You can't say that, Mickey.
I know, but I was talking about a cigarette.
Well, then she starts crying. I don't know why.
It's talking about a cigarette. What?
You would cry about that. I mean, look at Mickey. Mickey should be the one crying. Okay, anyway, he wasn't on the show anymore. But then, plot twist. Jojo Siwa did change her sexuality. Jojo Siwa declares she is no longer a lesbian.
What? I can't keep up. All I know is that last summer, when I was on TikTok Live, everybody was telling me to dance to the song Karma. And we did it so many times because, see, on my TikTok channel, the way it works is that I teach vegan facts, and then if a person reads the card well, they get to choose what song to dance to. Here, I'll show you. Okay, hold on. Okay, like for example, here's a card, right? So I'll tell, yeah, it's backwards for TikTok. Hold on. We're on YouTube, so, okay. So, for example, somebody will come in and they will read this card. And if they do a good job reading the card, they read it properly and they show some empathy towards the animals and they're kind and polite and all that. Then I say to them, okay, now it's time for recess and we can start to dance. So you pick a song that we can dance to. And that's how I know Jojo Siwa, because of you guys. Otherwise, I would have no clue who she is.
Mid-flirty relationship with male CBB housemate, celebrity Big Brother. I think being here, I've
Okay, so she has her hair short now? Is that it?
realized I am not a lesbian. I am queer. Mind you, she had a girlfriend while she was on
Wait, what? I'm not a lesbian, I'm queer. Huh? What? Oh my god. All we care about is she vegan? That's the important thing. Let's see.
the show cuddling with this guy. So also discussing behavior from Jojo.
Did you sleep together in that bed?
No.
I'd be prepared for your girlfriend to throw some punches.
I'm a lesbian, but I think you think being here, I realized, oh no, I'm not lesbian, I'm queer.
You know what?
And I think that's really cool.
I don't understand the difference.
I'm such a glitter!
Okay, what even is that? Is that because
I'm such a what?
she liked this guy and now she doesn't want to just say, oh, actually I'm straight or bi? She has to like make it more creative, so she's saying I'm queer. What's queer? Like genuine.
Oh, okay, so it's not just me that doesn't understand. Okay, I thought it was because I'm 60, but if Misha doesn't understand and she's in her 20s, then I guess we're all okay.
What is queer? Let's look it up.
Oh, that's exactly what I was just thinking of doing. All right, being gay is so different than being queer. Okay.
It's so different than being queer.
Oh, this is the Queer Collective podcast. Oh yeah, I heard about that before.
Weird.
Yeah, exactly.
It's really
exactly.
different. It is.
But being a lesbian is not different from being queer. And like, I don't know how to explain that.
But they can be.
It can be.
Oh, period. Okay, so being queer is not the same thing as being gay. Except when it is. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Crystal clear.
Misha has a good sense of humor. Misha, we need you on our side. We need you to wear some merch, okay? I want you to buy my sweatshirt and I want you to wear it on your show that says, you know, be kind to animals or vegan for the animals, okay? I'll tell you what, I'll make you a deal. If you buy something of my merch, I will buy something of your merch, okay? My God, I haven't seen her stuff yet. I hope it doesn't say anything bad. I don't think it does.
Says gay men like oppress other like racialized groups. They oppress like other genders, like all.
Oh, he has some tattoos. I hope he's safe.
All the time, and it's rampant still.
Yeah,
I think it's because like women also have like.
Oh, she also has tattoos. Huh. Okay. I guess tattoos are in, but Cancer should never be in. And speaking of cancer, the less meat you eat, the less dairy you eat, the less eggs you eat, the less chance you have of getting cancer. So that's also good. Another reason to be vegan. It's good for the planet, it's good for us, and of course, it's good for the animals. Right? Right. Thank you so much for watching. Now remember, whether you are a capitalist, whether you are woke, no matter who you are, what your gender, what your skin color is, whoever you love, the most important thing is that you become vegan to help save the animals. Don't walk around on the planet fueled with the corpses of innocent beings inside of you. You can subscribe. You can help me to save them. Looking forward to you being a moderator on my channel. You can do it.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's put our empathy into action. Miss Katie will show us how.